In the last 24 hours, 664 new COVID-19 cases have been recorded out of 8,217 tests carried out. The new cases indicate a positivity rate of 8%. Speaking during the routine COVID-19 update, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, Kennedy Malama, says there is need for heightened compliance in communities.
Looking at where we are with the third wave, we've done so well. But when you look at some of the districts, we see some spikes being reported. What is therefore key is not to drop the guard, but to continue with the heightened interventions. We are convinced as a response that in the coming weeks, when the situation is reviewed, we see a better picture for our country, subject to the fact that we maintain the momentum with respect to adherence to the public health and social measures which are in place.
Meanwhile, as 60% of all available doses in the country have been used, 100,000 doses of the Chinese COVID-19 vaccine, Sinopharm, are expected in the country on Saturday, 7th August 2021.
Sinopharm initially was, on Sinopharm, what we said, we received 13,600. That Sinopharm was a special request from the government of the Republic of China that they bring in 13,600 for the Chinese nationals in this country. So that 13,600 was ring-fenced for the Chinese nationals in Zambia. That's why you didn't hear Zambians talking of, or members of the public talking of having taken the Sinopharm. Now, the one we are receiving, the 100,000 doses, that's for the general members of the public. So it will be available, it will be part of the basket of vaccines to be accessed.
4,729 cases remain active, with 255 on oxygen therapy and 82 in critical condition.
On a sad note, in the last 24 hours, we lost 17 people from COVID-19 related deaths. And this also speaks to what I was saying. We continue seeing those who are coming late to facilities, even when the situation is far much better than before. This is no time to wait. When you are feeling unwell, still go to a healthcare facility. This is not only applicable to COVID-19, it's applicable to any other condition people may have.
Virginia Chilongo, Movie TV News, Lusaka.